Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the U.S. state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their tablets, smartphones, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the removal of the Google account lock security feature on an Android device. That's something that Google initiated back in Android 5 to where when the device is factory reset without first removing the Google account that's on it, it's then going to ask for that account again as a security measure after the factory reset is performed. Now, here with us today, we happen to have a Samsung Galaxy Tab S2. And this is a device that does actually have the lock enabled. As we can see here, as we're going through the setup steps, we get to this screen that tells us that it was reset. And to continue, we have to sign in with a Google account that was previously on the device. But we're making this video to let all of our interested customers know that we do offer a service to be able to remove the lock from this particular model, and that's actually what we're going to demonstrate right here, right now. We actually already did 99% of the work before starting the video just to keep it nice and short, and so now we should just be able to see here that we can just restart the device, and then we should be able to get all the way through the setup steps and access the home screen just like normal. I should mention this is something that we can do for just about anyone, anywhere in the world, so you don't necessarily need to be here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast internet connection, and then we can remotely connect to you right through the internet and do the exact same procedure that we did here on this device. So now that it's restarted, we come actually up to the lock screen of the device. We're going to go ahead and just swipe that away. And now, Wi-Fi, we can turn that off because we don't need it. Actually, no, that might still need to be kicked on there. Okay, so now with how this method works, we're actually just going to lock that screen again. We're going to turn it back on. And now with what we've done, we're able to slide down the notification panel and then we can jump straight into the settings. Now obviously that's not going to work on your specific device because it's not going to have the same procedure that we did done to it. So the key here is the 99% of the work that we did before making the video. Now that we have access to that, there's something that we can go and do in the settings really quick to take off the Google account lock. We just have to do one restart then, and then after that we will be able to see that we can get through the setup steps. And it might actually just even take us straight to the home screen. So give that a moment to finish restarting again. Okay, so we're back at the lock screen again, and okay, so it is going to make us go through step by step here. This time we can actually turn the Wi-Fi off and hit next, and then we're just going to skip through all of the rest of this stuff here in order to get through as fast as possible. Don't need a name, don't need time and date, we don't need a screen lock. We can agree to the terms and conditions. See, we don't need a Samsung account. Okay, and there we go. One last step, and there we go. So we are all the way through the setup process. We now have access to the home screen and all the apps and features just like normal, and the Google account lock has been completely removed from the device. Now, while we're here, just really quick, we're going to jump into the settings to show you exactly what we're working with. So again, this is a Galaxy Tab S2, and there's a couple different versions of it. For some reason they call this the new edition, and then the model number there, that T813, is what uniquely identifies it as the Tab S2 with the Samsung model number there. So if you have a Galaxy Tab S2 and need help getting the Google account lock removed from it, we would love to help you out with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all of the details there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy. Make sure to hit that subscribe button while you're there also to be notified of all the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like this one. Y para todos los hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.